Hi everyone, happy Friday afternoon. I just wanted to direct everyone's attention to a new supporting file that I put into your resources for Unit 2 for carbohydrates. So I created a document today that really is an outline of all of the materials that are in this section and just a summary of the main points I really want you to know, both for your homework and especially for your exam. So I thought this could be helpful over the weekend as you finish up your homework and your discussion, and thought it also would be helpful as you study for your exam and kind of get your thoughts together for that. So I'm just going to click on it and kind of show you really quickly what it looks like. So it should load in Chrome, and if anyone has a difficult time seeing it, just let me know, send me an email, because this is the first time I've kind of done things in this way. So as you can see, it's a carbohydrate metabolism review. There are about 60 slides or so, and the slides just go through the main points. So they start with the structure of carbohydrates, they go through some digestion, absorption, and then go into metabolism at the level that I'm really expecting people to be able to talk about metabolism in Nutrition 430. So your advanced nutrition metabolism book sometimes goes a little above and beyond in terms of numbers of reactions and all of those things that I'm expecting you to know. So I'm thinking that this will really help you kind of sort your understanding a little bit. So there's a good amount of visuals in here. There's some information just on, major definitions that I want you to know, all the vocabulary I want you to know. And then at the end of the slides, if I kind of scroll down here, you're going to start seeing some stuff on diabetes as well. So just scrolling down. But this should, give a little bit of help to those people who needed a note taker. It should give a little bit of life to some of the lectures that I have posted. And, as always, I'm looking for feedback on how all this information is resonating with everyone as you go through it in an online class format. So just make sure that, you give me any feedback if you need a little bit more help. So these are just some diabetes information too for your discussion. So if anyone needs a little bit more information to post in the discussion, then you are very welcome to look at slide number 60 and beyond. There's a lot of information on diabetes and metabolic difficulties that have some visuals to go with them and some charts and things like that, as well as some descriptions of diagnoses that I think could be really helpful as you guys do your discussion and your homework, as well as study for your exam. So you can think of this as sort of a supplemental study guide for chapter 3 and 4, as well as the study guides that I've already posted for chapters 1, 7 and 8, as well as chapter 3 and 4. And so all those things together should give you a really nice outline of what will be on the exam and the types of questions that I will ask you. So exam questions will be posted on Sunday evening, and you'll have, almost the whole week to turn those in. And so they'll be uploaded like an assignment, and I will have those up on Sunday night with a little Sunday night rather than a Monday morning description of what the week is, because the week will really just be showing me that you understand all this material that we've gone through over the past few weeks. So as always, feel free to get in touch if you have any questions, and I really look forward to reading your discussions and your homework early next week. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.